Welcome to CSONS at Home, week 50. For the start of this week, we've gone, it's kind of a classic CSONS dish, but it's a sort of leek and turmeric chowder with smoked haddock, some lovely poached eggs, some smoked paprika, and, well, this is parsley, but they will be chives by the time they get to the meal kit for you guys. So, first things first, get our chowder in to a saucepan. I'm just going to put that on low. In fact, the first thing you should have done was bring some water up to a boil. I've got just a little bit of milk to help that along the way. Might not need it, but okay, just on low. We don't want that to boil furiously. So once your water's boiling, we're going to drop our eggs in and then turn it off. And by the time we need that, they'll be nice and hot throughout. Once that's warm but not bubbling, pop our fish in. Put our fish in towards the end. We don't really want to cook it any more than it already is. Just warm it through, really. So you start off really thick and then it kind of thins out a bit when it heats up. But yeah, what we don't want to do is cook it really hard because it'll probably end up splitting. So I prepared this earlier, but it's basically just a bit of kitchen roll so we can dry our eggs because we don't want to get that egg water. Always got to put a bit of salt and pepper on my eggs, whatever happens. Great, I'm happy that's nice and hot. Got my ladle ready. I'm just going to ladle it up. So I guess the kind of theme this week is a kind of bit of a cross between, well, kind of Spanish American, I suppose. The chowder is obviously an American thing, although apparently originates from Scotland. Put our egg on. Sprinkling smoked paprika. I guess this is what makes it a little bit Spanishy with the smoked paprika going on. And then, well, this is parsley, but you're going to have chives. Looks pretty tasty to me. There we go. Give her a little push. Word.